samahan niyo po kami sa aming pagsisit sa mga nakabibighaning talakayan para sa ating mga kapaki-pakinabang ng mga estudyante, guro at mga magulang dito sa ating bakulay na paaralan. So our topic po today is all about children with special needs. Kasama ko po rito ngayon ang isa sa mga guro na teacher in charge in special education. Welcome po natin si Teacher May.
Good day po, Doc Grace. So, good day everyone, especially sa ating pong mga parents, viewers. So, purpose po ng ating pong talakayan po, as what you have said a while ago, is all about special education. Kumbaga po, ano po ba yung importance ng special education? Ano po ba yung nabe-benefit dito sa bawat isa po? Ayan.
So, marami kasing mga nagtatanong sa panahon natin ngayon, maraming mga nangangailangan na mga children with special needs. So, but before that, let's discuss para malaman naman ng ibang viewers natin kung ano ang mga children with special needs.
So ano nga po ba yung tinatawag natin na special education? So when we say special education po, Doc Grace, this is a program, tailored program siya, personalized, individualized program na kung saan those kids with their, meron silang nami-meet natin yung kanilang unique needs. Kasi we have different children with exceptionality or children with special needs. So, binibigyan kung napaka-importante ng special education for them para magkaroon sila ng maturuan sila not just only in academics but also po yung self-living na tinatawag, kung paano sila mabuhay in future, which is minsan nga po, as what we have discussed sa mga parents, minsan nalulungkot sila or iniisip nila what would be the future of their kids, of their child. Pero nakakatulong ang special education para mag-prepare ang mga bata for their future.
Yun ang maganda doon. And also, these children with special needs who require additional assistance or support. Gusto natin na ma-ensure talaga that they have equal access to education.
Yes.
So, hindi parang, special kids yan, wag na lang pag-aralin o ilagay na lang sa loob ng bahay.
Baga po yung expectation nila is very low.
Yun.
Yun po yung nagiging problem.
So, dito nagkaroon tayo ng objective and goals and mission to support them and na ma-ensure natin that they have, that they have to have equal access to education and opportunities for growth, no? So, hindi natin sila i-behind,
Yes,
left
po.
behind. So, kahit na ganoon ang kanilang situation, na exceptional children or may needs sila, nandito tayo para sa kanilang development, especially in educational intervention, like what we did, yung cognitive development, also yung and sa'yo ba, Teacher Mitch, being a STEM teacher, ano bang mga challenges mo?
Ayan, so...
Like for example, in your first year teaching with these children, ano yung naging hamon sa'yo?
Yes po. Actually po, ang first thing talaga na nagiging challenge ng isang special education teacher, just like me po, syempre, different kids have their own iba-iba po yung behavior, iba-iba po yung kanilang learning skills. So, kailangan po talaga pag-aaralan mo. At yun nga po,
And
Doc
they
Grace.
have different categories.
Categories,
na
ayan po.
pag-uusapan natin mamaya.
Ayan po. So, Yun nga po, Doc Ray, so marami talagang challenges, pero sabi ko nga po, lagi ko pong sinasabi, napaka-important din talaga yung prayer natin. Kasi in facing those kids na iba-iba po yung personality, iba-iba yung kanilang needs, iba-iba yung mga moods nila, so kailangan talaga yung patience mo din at yung love mo sa bata is talagang nandun po talaga. Kasi though you are good enough, you are knowledgeable with that, but if you don't have love and patience to those kids, parang magkakaroon talaga po ng problem. And based din po sa nakikita ko, actually, Doc Based, nararamdaman talaga din ng bata kung love mo sila, kung talagang sincere yung pagtuturo mo sa kanila, and ganun din po yung ibinabalik nila sa iyo. Yan po.
So, nagpo-pause muna tayo for, we will be back for a few minutes. Pag-usapan natin sa ating pagbabalik ang
Categories, ayan po. Different categories ng
So,
special ed.
para malaman nila, no, ang mga different types or categories ng children with special needs.